Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Toddler Kitchen Sets is probably one of the most delightful and imaginative gifts you can give a young child, sparking endless hours of creative play, fostering early developmental skills like sharing and problem solving, and providing a safe, fun space for them to mimic grown-up activities, all while igniting a lifelong love for culinary exploration and social interaction in a charming, pint-sized world of their own. Number 5. Step 2 Fun with Friends Kids Kitchen Playset, Pink. This playset brings the kitchen to life with engaging lights and sounds. It includes a 25-piece accessory set, perfect for imaginative cooking adventures. Your child can explore a pretend sink, stovetop, and oven, fostering hours of creative role play. It helps develop essential social skills as they cook and share. Designed to fit perfectly into smaller spaces, this lightweight kitchen is easy to move. It provides endless entertainment without taking up too much room. With built-in spots for every accessory, children can learn to organize their play area independently. This feature encourages responsibility and keeps everything neat. Crafted from durable, easy-to-clean plastic, it withstands daily play. This ensures years of imaginative fun and can be wiped down quickly to stay fresh. What we like. This playset offers engaging lights and sounds, along with 25 accessories for endless fun. Its compact design and durable plastic make it perfect for smaller spaces and active toddlers. If you're looking for an interactive, easy-to-clean kitchen that fits anywhere, this is an excellent choice for your little one. What people say. Number 4. KidKraft Ultimate Corner Play Kitchen. This kitchen is crafted from premium, sustainable materials, ensuring long-lasting play. With a little help, it can be set up in approximately 2 hours or less. Its innovative curved design allows it to fit snugly into a corner. This lets you utilize every inch of your room efficiently. The burners light up and produce realistic cooking sounds. The water dispenser also illuminates and makes authentic sounds when pressed. A built-in washer with an open and close inset circle window door adds a laundry area. This expands the play possibilities within the kitchen space. Kids will discover plenty of hands-on learning with functional buttons, knobs, and handles. With homey touches like fabric curtains, a wall phone, and ample storage, it feels almost like the real thing. What we like. Crafted from premium wood, this kitchen boasts a unique corner design that maximizes space. It features realistic lights and sounds, plus a built-in washer for extended imaginative play. If you appreciate durable wooden toys and need a space-saving solution that offers a full play experience, this one is ideal. What people say. No reviews found in the provided source JSON. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 3. Play 22 Kids Cleaning Set 4-piece. Introduce the perfect way for your little ones to join in on household chores. This delightful 4-piece set is designed for endless hours of fun and learning. It includes a broom, a mop with an extendable handle, a brush, and a dustpan. Each piece is perfectly sized for small hands, making cleaning feel like a real adventure. Watch as they proudly clean their own room, engaging in realistic housekeeping play. These tools are designed for actual use, bringing their imaginative world to life. This set helps develop creative confidence and teaches them about different cleaning supplies. They'll learn what tools work best for various household items and areas. Encourage imaginative play and a sense of responsibility with this engaging toy. They will love pretending to be a little helper around the house. Looking for a thoughtful present? It's an ideal gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any holiday for boys and girls. Give them the joy of responsibility and imaginative play. What we like. This unique 4-piece set is a real cleaning kit, allowing kids to actually tidy up their space. It includes a broom, mop, brush, and dustpan, fostering creative confidence and practical skills. If you want to encourage responsibility and develop fine motor skills through realistic play, this set is perfect for your little helper. What people say. Number 2. Best Choice Products Pink Wooden Play Kitchen. Introduce your little chef to a world of culinary imagination. This playset offers a realistic design, mimicking a true kitchen experience for endless fun. Watch them enjoy the working ice maker, dispensing realistic ice cubes. They can also jot down notes on the convenient chalkboard surface, just like a real chef. This set comes with 11 accessories, including utensils and pots, for a complete cooking experience. Plus, it offers plenty of storage space in the oven, fridge, and shelves to keep everything tidy. Experience true-to-life details like clicking oven knobs and a towel rack. Its modern backsplash adds a touch of designer style to their play area. Rest assured knowing this kitchen set is built for durability and safety. It meets U.S. federal safety standards, providing a secure environment for imaginative play. What we like. This modern kitchen features a fun chalkboard surface and comes with 11 accessories, including a working ice maker. It offers realistic sounds and a contemporary design, mimicking a real kitchen experience. If you're seeking a stylish, feature-rich kitchen with unique interactive elements like an ice dispenser, this set will delight your aspiring chef. What people say. Number 1. Bruvoalon 32 PCS Kids Play Kitchen Toys Set. Forget the usual bright colors. This play kitchen set boasts a modern teal and gray design, fitting perfectly into any playroom. It includes 32 essential pieces, from a unique pressure cooker to realistic condiment bottles, providing a complete starter kit for your little chef. Designed to mimic real-life cooking, this set offers engaging interactive elements. The pressure cooker has a rotating, locking lid, and the kettle can be filled with water for immersive tea-time fun. Your child can even season their food with the included shakers and practice flipping a fried egg. Beyond just play, this set is a fantastic tool for development. It helps improve fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination, with chopsticks offering a unique way to practice dexterity. It also fosters imaginative role-play, social interaction, and food recognition. This realistic cooking set encourages imagination, dexterity, and creative play. It helps teach your little ones to be helpful in the kitchen. With features like a feeable kettle, it promises countless happy moments and valuable learning experiences. This makes a perfect gift for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. Give it to your child and watch them discover a love for cooking and imaginative play. Your satisfaction is their main priority, ensuring a delightful experience. What we like. This extensive 32-piece set offers a stylish modern design, moving beyond traditional bright colors. It includes unique items like a pressure cooker and chopsticks, promoting realistic interactive play and skill development. If you're looking for a comprehensive accessory kit that encourages creativity and fine motor skills, this diverse collection is an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.